Let us see how to create a sketch in X 2027. So first select the sketch and select the plane for sketch. Okay. Now let us create a sketch. So we have created a sketch here. So this sketch is movable. So wherever if you just move this sketch, it will move. It will move like this. So in order to constrain the sketch, we have to apply the various constraints. So one is the dimensional constraints and another is the geometric constraints. So dimensional constraints, length, radius, diameter, angle we can apply. For the geometric constraint, we apply the coincident, collinear, horizontal, vertical, tangent, parallel, perpendicular, equal, symmetry we can apply. So let's apply the dimension. Just click on the curve, you'll get a dimension. I'll make it 200. I will make this and this tangent. I will give a length for this and select this length. Make it tangent. 500. Select this. 300. 900. 300. 400. So select the point and this point. You get the length 900. Select this point and line. And give a radius here. 700, 60, 130, trim the side, distance 1 here, 350, 325, this side 200, make this horizontal, collinear, 170. Now the sketch is fully defined. In this way, we can constrain the sketch, we can draw the sketch and constrain it with the help of constraints like dimensional constraints and geometric constraints. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.